I am Sukhabogan from Adinet Info Systems, working as a support manager from last 10 years. We are into hosting of websites, mails, and some other web applications. We were facing a lot of issues before joining ESDS related to data backup, server maintenance, so many issues we are facing. After collaborating with ESDS, we were able to resolve all the issues smoothly, and it's functioning very smoothly. As all the problems are resolved, and it's working very smoothly. We have taken many services, cloud servers, dedicated servers, backup, anti-spam services, which are all very good services given by ESDS. I would like to recommend ESDS services to business partners and customers for smooth business operation.